The makers of KGF Chapter 2 came out all guns blazing and released the first teaser. On YouTube, it has received a thundering response from the fans and garnered over 100 million views in less than 24 hours. This is an incredible record for any film and has hyped the sequel even more. This kind of hype and craze among the fans brings back memories of year 2017 when Bahubali 2 from Tollywood industry was about to hit the screens. Bahubali 2 was a sequel and went on to become the highest grossing Indian film of all time, and that record remains unbeaten even today. When one thinks of Bahubali and KGF as two landmark movie franchises, it is natural to also see some similarities between them. Obviously, both are very different in terms of their genre, style and execution. Bahubali 2 was a fantasy epic, whereas KGF is a hardcore gangster come action thriller set during the 80s. However, there are also some similarities if one takes the time to look at it. Let's get started, and here are a few things that make these two blockbuster franchises very similar. Number 1. Visionary directors. S.S. Rajamouli of Bahubali franchise and Prashad Neel of KGF franchise. Both planned their stories as two-part sagas and have taken Indian filmmaking to another level. S.S. Rajamouli is one of the finest directors we have in the country, and he is known for his meticulous style and perfectionism while directing his film. He works on one project at a time but makes sure that he delivers an experience to his audience. On the other hand, Prashant Neel was a fairly new name when KGF released, but he has firmly established himself as a director to watch out for. He has a unique visual style and he believes in non-linear storytelling, which adds to the suspense and drama of KGF Chapter 1. With the trailer of KGF 2, I feel he will truly unleash his cinematic potential after gaining the confidence from the success of KGF Chapter 1. He is definitely another S.S. Rajamouli in the making. Number 2. Larger than life canvas. Bahubali and KGF are big-budget blockbuster films and are mounted on a massive scale to tell their respective stories. The epic locations, background score, action sequences and cinematography are some of the best in their class. The level of execution of these films is such that as a fan you are compelled to watch it only on the big screen. Number 3. A more powerful villain in Part 2. In Bahubali 2, Prabhas's character Bahubali faces off against Rana Daggubati aka Bhalal Dev, and this was built up from the first part. The villain was stronger, more menacing and a real physical threat to the hero. Similarly, in KGF Chapter 2, while Yash's character is one badass gangster and expert at taking down armies of enemies, he will be up against a mighty and formidable opponent in Adhira, played by Sanjay Dutt. This conflict has also been built up since the first part and promises to be a showdown of epic proportions. One can only visualize the audience reaction in the theatres when both Rocky and Adhira will go toe-to-toe in the film. Number 4. The origins of the hero. In Bahubali 1, we were introduced to the hero's character, but the true backstory and his real origins were explored in Part 2, which brought depth to the entire plot. Similarly, in KGF Chapter 1, we were introduced to Rocky and only a hint of his true origin and backstory with his mother is touched upon without giving into too much detail about the narrative. The teaser of KGF Chapter 2 promised plenty flashbacks for Rocky's past, and it looks like his relationship with his mother will be fleshed out even further. Rocky's true origins remain a mystery, and there were some hints dropped of this in KGF Chapter 1 when his birth is shown as a parallel to the discovery of the gold mines in Kolar. Seems like the line in the trailer, "Powerful people make places powerful," will have a huge bearing on the entire story. So these were my thoughts on a few things which I find similar in KGF and Bahubali franchise. Do you guys think KGF Chapter 2 will be a bigger hit than Bahubali 2? Please comment below and share your thoughts. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Indian and international cinema.